Hello and welcome to Dishing Delights. My name is Jenica and today I'm going to share with you an Azure standard haul. Now let's get into it. So I have here for you another monthly Azure standard haul. I actually don't do these monthly, even though the truck comes locally monthly. I only do Azure standard hauls every few months. That way I'm able to restock some of the main staples in my pantry. And I'm also trying a lot of new things like the cheese. This is the first month I bought cheese. I'm so excited to try it out, and hopefully that's something that we enjoy and we can order it from here on out. Now if you want more information on Azure Standard, I'll link the last video I did down below. I do go a little bit more in depth on what Azure Standard is, but for me, Azure Standard is a great place to order bulk items. They come locally to me once a month, and they have everything from kitchen utensils to cheeses, to your bulk grains, even buckets. They have everything there. And I will link all of these items down below, as well as my coupon code. I'll have the directions on how to use that, but as inflation sets in, I'm keeping a really close eye on the funds that go in and out of my household, and Azure Standard really helps me keep my grocery bill low. Now this time around I had 3 items not shipped. It kind of was irritating to me because there were 3 items that I really needed: coconut oil, vanilla, and what was the third item? That's gonna drive me nuts. What was the third item? Oh, barley. I didn't get my barley either. And when I went online the day that the order said that those items had not shipped, they were still in stock, so I'm not exactly sure what was up with that. But sometimes when you have things in your cart and it says that this item may be out of stock when they pull your order, sometimes those will come back in stock. So usually if it says that it is not going to be in stock on time, I still keep that in my cart. That way maybe that item will be pulled through. I'm not exactly sure what happened this month, but that's fine. I'll just put it on next month's order and we'll just use a little less coconut oil. If you are an Azure Standard customer, I want to know your 3 favorite items from Azure. If you could leave those down below. I'm really trying to expand and order a lot more of my staples from Azure Standard. So let's get into this short and sweet Azure Standard haul. Now I have my prices written out. I am going to price match from Walmart. The first thing that we have is 1 pound of Parmesan cheese. This was $6.76. That's 42 cents an ounce. And at Walmart, they have fine grated Parmesan cheese for 54 cents an ounce, or $8.64 a pound. We also have 6 pounds of this mozzarella. I've heard that this is really, really good, so I wanted to check out some of their cheeses this month. That's why I chose 3 different cheeses. And with these cheeses, I will cut them up into probably 1 to 2 pound chunks, and then I will freeze them for later. So right here I have the mozzarella cheese. This is a 6 pound block of cheese, and this was $23.51. That's $3.92 a pound. And at Walmart, you can find it for $5.38 a pound. And that's for whole milk mozzarella cheese at Walmart. So this was a really good savings here. And then for our raw cheddar cheese, this is a 5 pound block. I think it came out to 5.35 pounds. And this was $31.67. It came out to $5.94 a pound. And I could not find any raw cheese, but just regular cheddar cheese at Walmart is $5.14 a pound. So if you went that route, you could get it a little bit cheaper at Walmart, but I have no doubt that this quality is so much better. Now I am going to put my cheeses away and I will get to the rest of the stuff. Now right here I have Montreal steak seasoning. This is a whole pound of it. I don't know if you can tell, I have giant hands, so like this really isn't a good measurement. But this is 1 pound of Montreal steak seasoning. And at Walmart you can find, I think, a 13-ounce container. And per ounce, it's 39 cents at Azure Standard and 53 cents an ounce at Walmart. So that's a pretty good savings. And right here I have 2-pound bag of raw walnuts. We bought these before and these are superior to any walnuts I have ever bought. So we grabbed another 2-pound bag of these, and we are actually going to harvest our own walnuts this year. I am so thrilled for that. So hopefully this is the last package that we have to buy, and then we will have them fresh off our property. So this 2-pound bag was $11.29, 35 cents an ounce, and at Walmart they have walnuts for 70 cents an ounce. So that is half the price, and that's amazing. Over here we have 5 pounds of white quinoa. This was $14.48, $2.90 a pound. And at Walmart, this is $16.80, $3.36 a pound. So that's a 46-cent difference. Sorry if you can hear my dog. Hey. Sorry if you can hear the dogs getting rowdy in the background. So over here is 5 pounds of yellow popcorn. We grabbed the 40-ounce bag last time. For 5 pounds, it was $9.21, and for the same exact thing, it's $17.90 at Walmart. And then right here, I always grab their all-purpose unbleached flour. I think next time I'm just gonna go for the 50-pound bag because the last 2 times I have bought this, I have used it up very quickly. So for 10 pounds, it was $12.15. And at Walmart, it's $14.46. And then the Diatomaceous Earth, this is food grade. For 5 pounds, this was $6.65. And at Walmart, it's $19.90 for the food grade. But I usually buy my Diatomaceous Earth at Lowe's for $9.99, so you can find it for a decent price, but still $9.99 for 4 pounds versus $6.65 for 5 pounds. That's a great savings. And then last but not least, I have this 1 gallon of apple cider vinegar, and this gallon cost $11.46, and at Walmart, Bragg's equivalent was $19.28, so that is a very good deal. So my total savings for this Azure Standard haul was $43, and that includes the shipping. You do have to pay a percentage for shipping. I think it's 8% if I remember correctly. I know for me, my total shipping cost was $11.34, and I did calculate that in my savings, so even with that shipping cost, I still saved $43, and that is amazing to me. Usually my savings is a little bit higher. Today I know that the flour is a little bit cheaper locally, but I really love this stuff, and this is what I use for my everyday bread. So I kind of like just get attached to things, and this flour is one of those things. So thank you so much for watching today's video. I hope you enjoyed this haul. Like I said, I will leave my last Azure video down below, and I hope that you check them out. I know bulk buying and food security is a really hot topic right now, and so maybe this is a resource that you and your family would like to look into. So thank you so much for watching. If you like this video, please hit that like button. Make sure you're subscribed and hit that notification bell so you can be notified when I upload my next video. Thank you so much for watching.